Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's mid-morning looking forward video and talk about where we see the stock indexes going from here. As of right now, we've had quite the morning, quite the push up, guys. We had to push to new highs here in the S&P, above that 46 half area that I talk so much about in these videos. We definitely were below it starting this morning, and then we've pushed up above it, as you can see. Notice over here on the indicators, I don't use a lot of indicators. I'm a price trader, but when I do, I use divergence and I use overbought and oversold territories. You notice here on this pullback, we came back, we tested the 50 period moving average here really nicely. I talked about this 1820 in last week's video. We came back just shy of testing that before getting this bounce. And notice here we do have a very oversold pullback. So here's another side note that it's very good to see these in an uptrend, to see these stochastics go from really high all the way oversold here, and then that is a good indication of a nice bounce. Moving forward, what would I like to see to stay bullish? I want to see us above this 8 period moving average, guys. Hold above the 46 half for the day, get above that 8 period moving average moving forward, and then continue back to the upside. If we're not able to hold above this 8 period moving average, that just means that our downward momentum is still there. That downward pressure is still there. So that will be a little bit alarming. So I'm curious how the rest of the day is going to play out. If we're able to hold higher, close up where we're at now and a little bit higher, that would be very bullish going into tomorrow. And then as tomorrow comes, if we can stay, with some strong momentum, stay above that 8 period moving average, and continue to see the upside opportunity, getting these bounces, off these lows here on the stochastics, could be good for some more upside opportunity here. Bottom line is the trend is still up. Nothing has kicked that, so I'm going to go ahead and continue with that bias. Let me quickly look through the other stock indexes here. Here is the NASDAQ. Same thing, need to get above that 8 period moving average, guys, but you notice the stochastics here went from overbought to oversold in a very short time in an uptrend. So that is a good buying opportunity. That's a good opportunity to get a bounce, but that's only a bounce. We need to get above the momentum here and start to continue higher, just like the S&P, the Dow. Here's the Dow, guys. Same thing. Get above that 8 period moving average. Start to get some momentum. Retest some highs and start to push higher. And the same thing with the Russell here. Russell's been a little bit on a tear here. It's definitely went above the moving average. Pulled back to test that 8 period moving average. But nonetheless, they're all pretty much the same type of price action. As you can tell, I'm seriously looking for a close and a momentum above that 8 period so we can start to test them highs and start to get that momentum back on our side. But from a bounce standpoint, it's a very good trade to bounce. So if you ever get an uptrend in a stock or an index, in the stock market, no matter what the time frame is, if even it's a 15-minute chart, you're trading up in an uptrend without a doubt. Momentum's pushing up, and you get this pullback, and you get a stochastic goes from overbought to oversold without any pauses. That's a very good opportunity. That's a very good indication of a good buy opportunity. And then just wait. Once that momentum gets above the 8 period and 21 period, look for some follow through. So as of right now, guys, if we can stay strong, I'm back to full-on bullish mode. But we've had such a push today. Look for a little bit of consolidation going into this afternoon, and then I'm very curious to see what tomorrow opens and see what type of price action we get, because as of right now I'm not completely sold on the bull side, but if we can get a little bit of follow through, 2 days of follow through here above the 21, above the 8, I think we're right back into that bullish momentum. So I'm not going to say it's over till it's over, guys. So bottom line, we're still pushing higher, and that's how I'm going to trade it. So I hope you guys like these videos. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and email me, Adam@DirectionTrader.com. If not, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.